Okay, so with the CRM Toolkit, you have the ability to map custom fields within the tool itself. So I'm just going to go to Create a Contact, and we've got our mappings here. And we're going to search for an address based on the postcode. And then select our address. And currently these fields are mapped, as you can see. So when we submit it to the mailing address, it's going to populate those addresses. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a custom field that we can map. And now let's add in our custom field. So we're going to go to the Setup, Modules and Fields, and Contacts. I'm going to add in a building name or house name. So let's populate that into this section. And we're going to call this one building name, and then save the layout. And now let's go and configure that in the toolkit. So back to our contacts and access the toolkit via the normal route. So toolkit, you can now see our custom field and the address information. And this time we're going to go to the setup and we're going to look at fields to map. And we're going to choose our building name custom field that we've just added. And we can drag that across to the fields to map table. Once you've dragged it across, then click on Mapped Values, and you'll see the building name is currently blank because we've just added that one. So from the Loqate information, we can now choose the right field, which in this case is building name. So we map it across, and then save the toolkit, and that will reconfigure. So now this time, we're going to search for an address with a building name. So let's go with this one. And we're going to choose this address. And because this has got a house name of 2 Goose Green Cottage, that's going to add it to the building name and click on Submit. So you can see we've mapped that one there. And let's try another one. Let's search for the Shard in London. And we'll choose this one. And now the building name, the Shard, is entered in there. So when we submit, the building name is now applied. So custom mapping is very, very straightforward in the toolkit and gives you ultimate flexibility on the address fields that you want to map, and also using the full Loqate dataset within your contact records or any other records.